What if a single natural oil could make you look younger in just 1 week? Some call it nature's Botox. And today we're putting castor oil to the test on real skin for 7 days. The results? Absolutely incredible. Before we reveal the amazing 7-day transformation, hit that like button and subscribe to Repair Our Health. You'll get more science-backed beauty tips and health tricks every week. Now let's get glowing. Castor oil skincare has exploded in popularity. Social media videos on it have hundreds of millions of views. From dermatologists to natural beauty gurus, everyone's talking about this old-school oil as the new secret to youthful skin. So, what exactly is castor oil? It's a thick golden oil pressed from castor beans, a remedy that dates back to ancient Egypt for beauty and healing. It's packed with ricinoleic acid, a fatty acid that gives castor oil its unique moisturizing and anti-inflammatory powers. In short, it's like a nutrient-rich potion for your skin. Immediately, castor oil works as a powerful moisturizer. It's an occlusive oil, meaning it locks in moisture like a cozy blanket for your skin. After one night, you may wake up to softer, well-hydrated skin. Dermatologists say keeping skin hydrated is key to smoothing out fine lines. And castor oil definitely delivers on moisture. Castor oil is naturally anti-inflammatory, so it's great for soothing redness or irritation. Over a week of use, many people notice angry red patches and blotchiness start to fade. Studies show that the ricinoleic acid in castor oil can calm down inflammation, meaning happier, less reactive skin by day 7. Believe it or not, this oil can even help with breakouts. Castor oil has mild antimicrobial properties that fight acne-causing bacteria, and although it's thick, it ranks low on the pore clogging scale, so it won't suffocate your skin. Over 7 days, some users find their small blemishes shrinking and fewer new pimples, thanks to castor oil's bacteria-fighting, skin-balancing effects. Now, for the anti-aging glow-up. Castor oil won't freeze wrinkles like Botox, but it plumps up your skin with moisture, making fine lines look softer. Think of those crow's feet or smile lines after a week of nightly castor oil. They often appear less pronounced. This deep hydration gives your skin a youthful bounce, which is why some people affectionately nickname castor oil nature's Botox. By day 7, get ready for a radiant glow. Consistent castor oil use can help your complexion look more even-toned. While it's not a magic eraser for deep dark spots, keeping your skin ultra-moisturized and calm can make discolorations less noticeable and your overall skin tone appear smoother. Many users report that their skin just looks healthier, dewy, fresh, and youthfully glowing after a week of this routine. Ready to try it yourself? Let's walk through how to use castor oil safely for this 7-day challenge. Step 1. Start with a clean face each night. Gently cleanse your skin and pat dry. We also recommend doing a quick patch test before the first use. Put a drop of castor oil on your inner arm to ensure you don't have any sensitivity or allergic reaction. Safety first. Step 2. Application. Remember, with castor oil, a little goes a long way. Put 2 or 3 drops on your fingertips and warm it up by rubbing your fingers together. Then gently massage it into your face. Focus on areas with wrinkles or dryness, like around the eyes, mouth, or forehead. You want a thin, even layer over your skin. Avoid getting it directly in your eyes. Your skin will look shiny at first, but that's okay. It's working its magic overnight. Step 3. Use castor oil at night as the last step of your skincare routine. Think of it like an overnight mask, because it's thick. It's perfect for bedtime. It'll work while you sleep. Do this every night for 7 nights to see results. Consistency is key. If you have very oily skin, you might start with 2 or 3 nights a week instead. But for our 7-day challenge, we went nightly to really turbocharge the effects. Pro tip: castor oil is very thick. If you find it too sticky, you can mix a couple drops of castor oil with a drop of a lighter oil like jojoba or rosehip to help it spread easier. Warming it up between your fingers, or even diluting it a bit, helps it glide on smoothly. Either way, you'll get the benefits, just without that heavy feeling. A quick warning: don't overdo it. Slathering a thick layer of castor oil won't give you faster results. It will just sit on your skin and your pillowcase. Use a small amount and spread it well. Too much oil can potentially clog pores or make a mess. In this case, more is not better. A thin layer is all you need for big benefits. Also, listen to your skin. Castor oil works wonders for many, but not everyone. If you're very acne-prone or ultra-sensitive, go slow. Try it on a small area of your face first. While castor oil is low on the comedogenic scale, a few people might still get clogged pores or the occasional pimple from any oil. If you notice new breakouts or irritation, ease up or stop. Everyone's skin is different. What's great for one person may not suit another. Day 1. After the very first night, you might already feel a difference. Our tester woke up and found her skin felt softer and more supple. That overnight hydration boost is real. Her cheeks felt plump and dewy to touch. It's a great start, and it only gets better from here. She said, "My skin felt like velvet. I kept touching my cheeks throughout the day. I couldn't believe the difference overnight." It was subtle, but enough to make her smile all morning. Day 3. A few days in, redness is down and skin is looking plumper. In our trial, by midweek, the little dry patches around the nose were gone, and some fine lines, especially on the forehead, looked a bit softer. The skin's texture was smoother overall. Our tester said her face felt bouncier. That's the deep moisture building up the skin's barrier. Our tester shared. Even my partner noticed. They asked if I'd changed something in my routine. The calm, plump look wasn't just noticeable to her. It was showing through to others. Day 5. By now, a healthy glow is undeniable. Our tester's complexion looked more even and dewy, even without makeup. Any tiny blemishes she had on day 1 were healing faster than usual, and no new breakouts appeared either. She found that her skin looked so clear and moisturized, she didn't even feel the need for her usual foundation. Talk about a confidence boost. She described it like this: "My skin finally looked alive. It was the first day I felt okay leaving the house with no makeup on, and that felt freeing." Day 7. The final reveal. After a full week of nightly castor oil, the differences are clear. Comparing before and after, her skin now has a radiant sheen. Those fine lines around her eyes look diminished, and overall she just looks refreshed. It's like her skin woke up. She described it as looking as if she'd just had a professional facial, but all she used was a few drops of castor oil each night. Looking in the mirror, she said, "It's not just the glow. I look rested, like I've been taking better care of myself. My skin hasn't looked this refreshed in years." That's the power of one simple, consistent step. And she's not alone. Real people are seeing these results. One beauty blogger in her 50s called castor oil the biggest skincare game-changer of my life after using it for a month. Her wrinkles visibly softened. Another user shared, "My skin is so glowy after just 1 week of castor oil, I'm amazed." From online reviews to YouTube testimonials, there are countless stories of castor oil transforming dull, dry skin into a youthful glow. So why does castor oil produce these results? Here's the science in simple terms. Castor oil forms a protective layer over the skin, locking in moisture so your skin stays hydrated from within. Its ricinoleic acid is also anti-inflammatory and antibacterial, which means it helps reduce irritation and fight off the microbes that can cause breakouts or redness. In essence, castor oil creates the perfect environment for your skin to repair and renew itself, well hydrated, calm and protected. And that is a recipe for youthful-looking skin. Now, a quick reality check. Castor oil isn't a miracle or a replacement for all other skincare. If you have deep wrinkles or serious hyperpigmentation, you'll likely need additional proven treatments like retinol, vitamin C, or dermatology procedures to see major changes. Think of castor oil as a fantastic booster to enhance your skin's hydration and glow. It's an all-natural support for your skin routine. But you should still wear sunscreen during the day and continue any other anti-aging steps you rely on. In other words, castor oil can be a great team player in your skincare regimen, even if it's not a solo magic wand. If you enjoyed seeing these results, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Repair Our Health for more honest beauty experiments and health tips. Join our community of viewers over 30 who are keeping it natural, healthy, and youthful. We've got plenty more tips and challenges coming, so don't miss out. Disclaimer: everyone's skin is unique, Results may vary from person to person. If you have any adverse reaction or irritation, discontinue use of castor oil. This video is for informational purposes and is not medical advice. For persistent skin concerns or before starting any new skincare regimen, consider consulting a licensed dermatologist. And remember, natural remedies can complement but shouldn't replace professional medical treatments when needed. So, will you try castor oil on your face for 7 days? We'd love to hear your thoughts. If you've tried it or plan to, let us know your experience in the comments below. Thank you for watching Repair Our Health. Until next time, stay healthy and keep shining.